The Rogers Bank app allows you to easily pay your Rogers credit card and other bills. First, link your Rogers credit card or bank account in the app through secure verification. Then, to make a payment, navigate to the Payments tab. Choose Pay Bill or Pay Credit Card. Enter the amount you want to pay and confirm using your PIN or biometric authentication like fingerprint or facial recognition. For bills, you can even scan QR codes or use voice commands. Payments for Rogers affiliated bills are processed in real time, while credit card payments take 1 to 2 business days. The Rogers Bank app prioritizes security with end-to-end encryption for all payments. Biometric authentication, like fingerprint or facial recognition, is required for all payments. Set spending limits and enable transaction alerts for added control over your payments. Most in-app payments are fee-free, but interest may apply to credit card payments if not paid in full. The app supports over 200 Canadian billers and provides detailed transaction histories. Budgeting tools help promote financial literacy and better money management. Keep the app updated for the latest security enhancements and features, like the AI-powered payment assistant.